47. The Family of Christ. One of the great preachers of all time was James Saurin, pastor of the French Church at The Hague. One of his most memorable sermons was on Matthew 12:46-50, the family of Jesus Christ. Saurin spoke strongly against a limited view of the Christian family. It includes more than our loved ones here and in heaven. He declared, quote, "Our family is composed of the redeemed out of every kindred and tongue and people and nation of the ambassadors of the gospel who have turned many to righteousness. Our family is composed of those illustrious saints who have fought under the banner of Christ, and they now sit on his throne. Further, our family is composed of those angels that excel in strength and obey the voice of God, of those cherubim which fly at his command. Our family is composed of those thousand millions and 10,000 millions which stand before him and cast their crowns before the throne. Jesus Christ is the firstborn of this household." End quote. It's all very beautiful, but practically, what did it mean? Very simply, it was this emphasis on the family of Christ which led to a burning concern for the poor, needy and fallen in the cities, for the unconverted overseas, and for those yet to be brought into Christ's family. It meant too that congregations saw the need to care for one another, because Christ says of his followers, quote, "Behold my mother and my brethren, for whosoever shall do the will of my Father which is in heaven, the same is my brother and sister and mother." Here is our Lord's test. Are you a relative of Jesus Christ? Does he claim you as kin to him? The requirement is a simple one. We must be his disciples and do the will of our Father in heaven. Do you see yourself as a member of his family? What's more, does he see you as kin to himself?